and welcome back to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot. Guys, we are into part 11 of the 30-part series, the ultimatemedium.com course, and today we are going to talk about why you should start a medium related faceless YouTube channel. A lot of people might be asking, why a faceless YouTube channel? Why not a face one? Well, you are free to create a YouTube channel showing your face. There are 3 YouTubers or 4-5 YouTubers, top medium writers, having over all of them having over 50-60,000 medium followers, and all show their face. And when you show your face on YouTube, my friends, or any sort of video, you build an engagement with your audience and they respond to you with higher average view duration somehow, and they engage with you in the comments as well, more and more with the video. So this is human nature, my friends. However, if you would like to make you are a bit shy, a bit like me, you can just have a good microphone and just go for a faceless YouTube channel like I have. So I'm not experienced with having a face one YouTube channel. I'm more experienced with having a faceless YouTube channel. So what are the benefits, my friends? First of all, this course of mine, yes, it doesn't get that much traffic. We are at part I have uploaded over here nine parts of the 30-part series, the medium.com ultimate course, ultimatemedium.com course. But every video in the description, I share my Medium profile and also my referral link for Medium membership and email subscription link. What happens is, my friends, is I thought to myself that this is a waste of time. But hang on a moment. If you look at my recent stats, I have got 8 referred members, and in this month I have got 5+ referred members. Look at this, my friends, 5+ referred members to the Medium membership. So this is a massive boost. So even if I'm getting 9 to 10 views per video, if somebody who is interested in the Medium niche and he decides to buy the Medium membership through my referral link, it's a win-win situation for me, my friends. It's a big win for me. So obviously my email subscriber list is growing as well for Medium. This boosts, it makes it very, very easy, because if somebody subscribe to your email subscription on Medium, they will receive an email when you publish your Medium story. So this is one of the benefits, my friends. And now now the other benefit, main benefit that I would like to say is that you are creating a brand for yourself, for outside of Medium, to bring attraction towards your Medium profile. That is very important, my friends. Maybe 5% or 2-3% of people from YouTube are following me on my Medium profile because they know me from my YouTube channel. They are coming to Medium, my Medium stories, my Medium profile, because of my YouTube channel. I'm building a brand name for myself, and once you become a brand name, you become popular in the Medium circles. Automatically success will follow you. It's a win-win situation for you. For example, Zuli Rain, she is very popular YouTuber, the most popular Medium YouTuber right now, and she has over 20,000 subscribers. So you must be saying, I have 46,400 subscribers. Well, the thing is, she has targeted 21,000 Medium related subscribers. I have made over I think I have made over 40 videos on Medium related content, but I have over 979 videos uploaded right now. And thing is that majority of my content is not medium related. So you get the picture. But Zuli Rain, every video she makes 100% it's medium related, and the YouTube algorithm has picked her up according to her stats that she reveals every now and then. Long time ago she said, she showed her stats on YouTube, and she said she's making over $350 per month on YouTube. Even though she's not fully focused on her YouTube channel, she occasionally uploads over there. So this is a massive step, my friends. Not only you are creating a brand for yourself, the CPM for medium related content is pretty high. If you are in the YouTube partnership program, easily you can make lots and lots of money from your YouTube channel. And this becomes very you are becoming a brand, my friends. You are becoming part of the Google search engine as well, because YouTube is under Google, my friends. So I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. Stay tuned, more interesting part coming right up, part 12 coming right up. Take care, my friends.